Hi everybody, and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a gnome character. So grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, we're going to start right here with his pointy little hat. We're going to do a straight line, a curved line, and then another straight line to close off that shape. Next, we're going to add a rounded shape right here attached to the hat. And that's going to be the gnome's nose. We'll do another line right here for his eye and fill in the pupil. And then we're going to add a big scruffy beard, like that. Lots of zigzag lines all the way around. We'll give our gnome a little smile, a line underneath his eye, and maybe a few details on his nose, some bumps. Let's give our gnome some hair in the back right here. And back in, maybe a few on the side right there. A couple details on his beard. And up on his hat, little highlight and some bumps for texture. Right here underneath his hair, we're going to do another rounded line like this. And we'll copy that same thing over here on this side. We'll do a straight line all the way across to close that. And then we'll do two lines inside for his arm. We'll close that shape and add 3 bumps for fingers and a line down the center and a button. Next, we're gonna do his shoe. So we're gonna go straight down like that, another line, and then a rounded shape. Go back for the sole, and then maybe just a couple lines for his pants. Let's do another one right here. A rounded shape right there, and a couple lines for his pants. Okay, next, just a few details around his body. Maybe a shadow down here on his leg. The other leg. And there we have a little gnome character. Yeah. You did a really good job drawing with me today. I'm so proud of you. I hope you'll come back really soon. Bye.
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit yayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye.